Hi everyone, we're gonna try a bowling game this week. So the goal is we want to try to roll a ball, or you could also grab a stuffy if you have wood floors or some kind of smooth floor, and we're gonna roll it along the ground and try to knock our cups down. So I lined up 6 plastic cups. You could also use some toys. If you don't have anything like that, that would work. You could even grab 6 books and just try to roll over the books with your ball or your stuffy. So I have my 6 cups set up on the end of my space here, and I'm gonna set the timer for 1 minute, and I'm gonna see if I can knock them all down in 1 minute. It's gonna be really challenging. I'm going to hope that all of you are cheering for me while I try. Here we go. Okay, I got my timer. I'm gonna start it right now. That's 1. Oh, that's 2. Oh, I missed. Missed again. Ah. Missed again. Alright, that's 3. That's 4. Oh! Hit it, but didn't knock it over. And missed it. Oh, that's 5. 1 to go. Missed it. Missed it again. Oh, still missed it. All right, that's 6. Woo, just made it. So as a reminder, when you're rolling, don't forget to step forward with your opposite foot and reach back, swing your arm back, and then let it go low to the ground so that you will have success. Hopefully you'll do even better than I did. Have fun.